Kogan Creek Power Station. It's one of Australia's newest and most efficient coal-fired power stations. Officially opened in 2007. The 750 megawatt power station can generate enough electricity, power up 1 million homes, operates with a high capacity factor, generating electricity into the national grid 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The Kogan Creek Power Station contains one of the largest single generating unit in Australia and has one of the lowest environmental impacts of any coal-fired power station in the country, with low levels of water consumption and reduced greenhouse gas emissions. The neighbouring Kogan Creek mine supplies the coal to the power station by a 4-kilometre overland conveyor belt. The mine is owned by Sears Energy and operated by Golding Contracts on behalf. So the mine is down here. That's coal stored right here. Cost 1.2 billion in 2007. Open cut line for the coal. 8,000 tonnes a day. Coal from the stockpile is fed into the power station. Coal is ground into fine powder mixed with hot air so it can be blown into burners. A boiler and ignited. The boiler is a large box with walls containing many thin steel tubes filled with water. That's pumped under high pressure. The fire in the boiler heats the water, converting it to steam as it rises to the tubes to the top of the boiler. The steam is further heated at very high temperatures before it's piped to the turbine. The turbine is made up of many blades, act like a windmill. High pressure steam generators attached to the turbine shaft. A powerful electromagnet is mounted at the generator shaft, and when it rotates, electricity is produced. Electricity is then transported to the customers via high voltage lines. Combustion coal and the boil ash produces ash. The exhaust gas carries the ash to a high efficiency bag filter system which removes ash from the flue gas before it discharges up the chimney. Ash is placed back in the mine site on purpose-built ash cells. That's the dust capture. The ash is used in the rehabilitation. The boiler is one of the main parts of a coal-fired station. In the boiler, the coal has been crushed or pulverised and burned. The heat that produces is used to turn water into superheated steam. Kogan Creek Power Station has what is known as a supercritical boiler. This means it operates at very high pressures and temperatures. Helps increase the efficiency and performance of the power station. Notice a small amount of water vapour that is occasionally released. Water vapour is harmless in the environment, similar to boiling the kettle. And that's that. Emissions come out that one. Height of boiler 70 meters. Furnace temperature 1,300 to 700 degrees. Steam temperature, main steam 543, reheat 563 degrees Celsius. Boiler during construction shows the turbines inside the boiler which carry the water, turn to heated superheated steam. Four separate turbines under one pressure. Ooh. Generator weighs about the same as a Boeing 747 jumbo. This equipment was transported 300 kilometres from Port of Brisbane, took a convoy of 2 special vehicles and 4 10-wheel prime movers, more than 3 days to complete the whole journey. Wow. Came in one piece, that's strange. Normally it comes in separate. Conventional coal-fired stations evaporate water to cool and condense the steam used to generate electricity. Kraken Creek Power Station features air-cooled condenser, uses about 1/10 of the water of conventional evaporator cooled power station. Once the steam is cooled and condensed to water, it is recycled back into the power station, reheated and reused to make more electricity. Kraken Creek uses less than 700 megalitres of water each year. The majority of the water is sourced from the Kogan Bore near the Kraken Creek mine, and the Lagoon Gully Bore is about 26 km. Water treatment plants also been installed so that stored water from dams at the power station can be treated and used, reducing the amount of bore water required. Works like a gigantic car radiator. $160-metre chimney has an inner steel flue and an outer concrete windshield. The windshield was constructed with continuous concrete pour over 30 days. See how big the cooling system is. Ash power station, also very effective fabric filter system that removes fly ash and dust from the flue gas before it goes up the chimney. Fly ash is a byproduct of combusting the coal in the power station. More than 99% of the fly ash is collected in a fabric filter system that is made up of a number of giant vacuum cleaner like bags. Ash that is captured is blended and piped into the slurry to a nearby Kogan Creek mine site where it's used to fill a specifically designed ash cell. Eventually it will be capped with the overburden from the mine, progressively rehabilitated topsoil and then revegetated. That's the new one. There's about 5 power stations we counted between here and Oakey. 5 of these different sites. Can't really see much of all the trees. Sucks. Thought I'd share that, it's a bit different. Thanks, bye.